Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss about hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atom, we consider it is a two-particle system. It is a two-particle system. One is the nucleus, another is the electron. In that case, what we consider, suppose this is we have to consider hydrogen. Okay, we have to consider hydrogen. In this case, we consider two particle system. One is the nucleus, which is a positively charged, another is the electron, which is a negatively charged. So this is considered as a two particle system. There is interaction between the nucleus and the electron. So electron is negatively charged, nucleus is positively charged, which contain only one proton. So in this case, what we consider, we have to put the Schrödinger equation. This Schrödinger equation we can write del square psi plus 8 pi square. We know that m by h square, in place of m we write here mu by h square e minus v r, this one whole of psi is equal to 0. Okay, this is the what we consider here, the Schrödinger equation. So in this case, what we have to do, mu is called as the reduced mass. How we calculate the reduced mass? The reduced mass is equal to mass of the nucleus, mass of the electron divided by mass of nucleus plus mass of electron. This is called reduced mass. So we know that del square, m is the mass of the nucleus, m is the mass of the electron. 1 minute, I have to line katigala. Mass of the nucleus and mass of the electron. We know that del square means, how we know this del square psi? The del square psi is equal to what we get, 1 by r square, that we already know, dou by dou r square, dou psi by dou r, plus 1 by r square sin theta, dou by dou theta sin theta, dou psi by dou theta, that already we know. Then another is 1 by r square sin square theta, dou square psi by dou phi square. This is the Schrödinger in del square I. If we put all these cases in this equation and we put this one, what is the resultant equation is 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou psi by dou r, plus 1 by r square sin theta, dou by dou theta sin theta, dou psi by dou theta, plus 1 by r square sin square theta, dou square psi by dou phi square, plus I will write tale likhi dochi 8 pi square mu by h square e minus Vr whole of psi is equal to 0. I only substitute this value in del square psi. Just like previous cases, easy rotator, we know that psi r, theta and phi, we write r of r, y of theta, z of phi, which we can write r, y, z. So substitute in place of psi r, y, z. What we get? 1 by r square, dou by dou r square, dou in place of psi I write r, y, z. Just like rigid rotator, whatever is there, we have to write on this, in that way. 1 by r square sin theta, dou by dou theta sin theta, dou r, y, z by dou theta, okay, plus 1 by r square sin square theta, dou square r, y, z by dou phi square, plus 8 pi square mu by h square whole of e minus v whole of r. In place of psi I write r, y, z is equal to 0. This you know, this one is a function of r. So y, z is constant. It will come to this side. Just like rigid rotator, same process we have to do. Just like rigid rotator, whatever is there, we have to do in the same process. R is a variable, so r is a function of r, so y, z is constant. So y, z we take outside, r square dou by dou r whole of r square dou r by dou r, plus 1 by r square sin theta. This is the function of theta, so y is a function of theta, so keep y is there and rz is constant to the outside. So rz, that means I here write rz, then dou by dou theta bracket sin theta dou y by dou theta. Okay, in this case you see here, this is a function of phi, so z is a function of phi, so keep z in there and ry is constant. So with that, ry is the constant, ry divided by r square sin square theta dou square z by dou phi square, okay, plus whatever is there remain as same, 8 pi square, 8 pi square mu by h square whole bracket e minus vr whole of r, y, z is equal to 0. Okay, then what we do? Now this is here, see that 3 functions are here. One is r, one is theta, another is phi. So we keep only one variable. So then what we do? Now we have to multiply all the equations by r square sin square theta by ryz. That means multiplying r square sin square theta by r, y, z throughout the equation, what happens? R square by sin square theta. If we multiply here r square sin square theta, then what happen? Now here is r square is cancelled, sin square theta by ryz is cancelled, then here remains r remain, then ryz multiply r square means r square 1 square multiply this r sin square theta. What happens? Ryz yz cancel, r is remaining, r square cancel, sin square theta is remaining. Then dou by dou r square dou r by dou r plus here is r square sin square theta multiply r square all square cancel, in sin square theta one sin theta cancel, another is remaining. So rz cancel, y is remaining. Ryz rz cancel, y is remaining. Y remaining, then r square sin square theta r square cancel, sin cancel, remaining is sin theta. Y sin theta dou y by dou theta plus here is r square sin square theta completely this is cancelled. Ryz means only z is remaining. 1 by z because ry is cancelled, 1 by z dou square z by dou phi something wrong. Here is you multiply here r square sin square theta, r square sin square theta, r square cancel, sin square theta. Then ryz yz cancel, r is remain as denominator. Okay, because divided by r yz cancel, r is remaining. In this case also, if you divide r square sin square theta, sin theta is remaining, r square cancel, rz one is y, here is z. Similarly, if we divide this one 8 pi square mu by h square whole bracket e minus vr bracket ryz cancel, ryz denominator cut gala rahila kete r square sin square theta, r square sin square theta is equal to 0. Then keep this one in one side, phi in another side. Keep this one is this phi you take in that side, all r and theta in this side. What is remaining? Sin square theta by r dou by dou r, r square dou r by dou r plus sin theta divided by y sin theta dou y by dou theta. Take z square to that side, so I write this one 8 pi square mu by h square bracket e minus vr bracket n r square sin square theta is equal to, so this side minus will come, minus 1 by z dou square z by dou phi square. That means both side is equal if it is equal to a constant. Let us consider this constant is m square. Just like in easy rotator, whatever we did, the same process I have to do here. In easy rotator, potential energy is 0, but in this case not. Then what happens? I take left hand side and left hand side is a function of r and theta, right hand side is a function of phi. So with both left hand and right hand side is equal to, I write here both left hand side right hand side is equal to m square. So then what happens? Now we write minus 1 by z dou square z by dou phi square is equal to m square. Take z square to that side. Dou square z by dou phi square is equal to minus m the square z. Take this one to the left hand side. What we get? Dou ro square z by dou phi ro square plus m ro square z is equal to 0. This is called phi equation. This is called phi equation. This is called phi. This one is called phi equation. Similarly, we have to divide this r and theta equation also equally. Then we have to, this is left hand side is a function of r and theta. We have to separate it. We separate one theta equation, another is the r equation. Line to next class देखी टेस्टिंग करी व्यस्त हबार कि ना लाइन आसले आउ थे पठेबी जदि भल न देखा जाए गुड नाइट।